And like all snow days, the ducks and geese are out. You got 3 lone chickens. I think they're confused. The ducks and geese are out. So are the turkeys.
It's a snowstorm. Didn't anybody tell you not to become broody in a snowstorm? It's a snowstorm. Why are you broody? We don't need babies this early.
It looks like one of the bunnies are about to give birth. Whole bunch of fur has appeared in the past 2-3 hours here.
There's baby bunnies that like to chew the snow. And baby bunnies that like to sit in the food. And baby bunnies that drink out of the water.
Nature, that's pretty cool. It dripped on it from above and turned the whole thing into an upside down icicle. The breast chickens came out to explore. Look at that. But quickly go back in.